Hello dear student. Today start from the new topic. Your new topic name is dice game. I hope every student get understood the dice game. Okay. Now listen here. Throw two dice together. Throw two dice together. What are the number that turn up on the faces of the dice? Make a two-digit number using them. If it is a multiple of any of the number is a return to next to circle. You can be write it in that circle. That if you are a friend is a turn, the one who can write more number in 10 round is the winner. Okay. This is a very wonderful game. This is a dice game. First of all, the throw two dice together. What are the number that are turn up on the faces of the dice? Whatever this number, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever. Okay. At the time here will be through two dice is a throw. Make a two-digit number is are using them. If it is a multiple of any of the number, return next to a circle. You can be write it in that circle, and that is your friend is a turn, the one who can write the more number in 10 round of the winner. Okay. Now just see it how can be solve it. First of all, this is a given condition also, so please all the students listen carefully. I have the 3 and 2 my dice. If I make the 23, if it is not a multiple of any of the number, first just see it. I have the 3, 2 and 3. Here will be my dice. I make the numbers of 23. Here will be 23 is not a multiple of 2 and 3 also, because the 2 has a table has what 24, not a 23, and the 3 as a table is what also a 24, not come in 23. It means that I make the 23. It is not a multiple of any of the numbers. This is a 23 is not a makeup. Okay. Next one for an example is are given also. So I will make the 32. Okay. 32 which is the multiple of also 4. Okay. And write in the red circle. And one of the example is are given to you. So I will make up the 32. For an example, you can also make up the 32. And 32 is a multiple of what 4, because a 4 table has a 32 will become here 4 8 ja 32. Definitely you will good write down this the red circle. Okay. Now the start from the next one. Now just see, this is our 4 circle is are given. Here will be 6, 4, 5 and 7. Now just is the 6. Here will be we have to write down this multiple. 6 2 da 12, 6 4 da 24, 36, 42. This is our all the 4 number is what? This is a multiple of 6. But this number is vary from student to student also. This is number is not fixed actually. 12, 24, 36 and 42. Then also come the 18, whatever 16. Okay. This number is also come. Okay. But this is our what multiple of 6. It means I will write the for an example, this is our 12, because the 6 2 ja 12, 6 4 ja 24. Here will be 24 is also write it. 36, 36 is also write it. This is our 6 6 ja 36, and 6 7 ja 42. 42 is also write it. This once again I repeated, this number is not fixed, because this number is varied from student to student. Okay. This is our dice game. Okay. Whatever will be coming here. Okay. Now let's start from the fourth. Here will be start from the 4. 12, I will write the 12, 16, 24, 32. This is our all our what multiple of 4, because the 4 table has 12 will become here. Okay. 4 3 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16. Okay. 4 6 ja 24 also, and 4 8 ja 32. This is our all our 4 number is our multiple of what? 4. Okay, now let's start from the next one example, and this your next one example is what? 5. We have to write down the multiple of what? 5. This is our 15, 25, 35 and 45. Why we write the 15, 25, 35? Because this is our multiple of what? 5. You can be also write the another number of multiple of 5, because this number is not fixed, this number is also vary at time. Okay, now the start from the next one next one. This is our 7. We have to write down the 14, 21, 35 and 42. Okay, this is our also a multiple of what? 7. Definitely this is our 7 table has a 14 will become here. 7 2 ja 14, 7 3 ja 21, 7 5 ja 35 and 7 6 ja also 42. Okay, this is our all our example is what? 6 4 5 and 4. It means that we have to write down the multiples. Okay, now the start from the next page. Next one, this is a common multiple. Okay, now this is our next topic name is a common multiple. Think of a number. If it is a multiple of 3, write it in the red circle, and if it is a multiple of 5, write in the blue circle. First of all, we have to write down the table of 3 and 5. Here will be table of 3, we have to write down the red circle, and the table of 5 we have to write down the blue circle. Okay, first of all, table is what? 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 9, 15. Definitely we have to 18. Next one is what? We have to write down the up to 30. And the next one table is what? 5. Definitely here will be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 up to last 50. Okay, now listen here. Your question is what? Think a number. If it is the multiple of 3, already write it, and the multiple of 5 you have to already write it. But we have to find out the common multiple of both the number 3 and 5. I will write the table of 3 already given. 3 6 9 12 15. Okay, 21 also, 24, 27 is also a table of 3. Okay, next question is what? Where do I write the 15? It is a multiple of both the 3 and 5. Okay, some number is a multiple of both the 3 and 5, so we can say the common of both the 3 and 5. It means that the meaning of common multiple is what? We have to find out the common for both the number 3 and 5. I already write down the table of 3, I already write down the table of 5. Just we have to find out the common number, and it means the table of 3 and the table of 5 we have to find out the common number of 3 and 5. Okay, they will be still be in the both red and the blue circle. Okay, I have already given to you. Now see, this is our purple color is already given to you. We have to find out the common number. First of all, we have to write down the given table. 3 6 9 12 15 18. Okay, 21 24 27 30. This is the table of 30. Table of 5 5 10 15 20 25 30 35 40 45 50. And just we have to find out both the common number. Just see it in the table of 15 30 and 45. These are the three one of the most important example. This is our common multiple of what? 3 and 5. First side we have to write down the table of 3, and the second side I already write down the table of 5. Both the table has we have to write down the common number, and the common number we have to write down this in purple column. Okay, understood? Then if you write the multiple common of 3 and 5 in the purple part, then will they still be in both the red and blue circle. Okay, I already write it. This is our red and blue circle. This is our 15 30 45. Once again I repeated, why 15 30 45? Because of 15 30 and 45, this all three number is are come in 3 and 5 also. Okay, now I start from the next one question. Next question is what? Which is the smallest among this common multiple? First of all, we have to find out the smallest common multiple. Here will be, I already find out the common multiple of 3 and 5 is already find it. This is 15, 30 and 45. Out of the three number, we have to find out which is the smallest among this common multiple. So definitely 15 will become here because 15 is the smallest common multiple. Start from the next question. Next question is also so simple. Repeat the game using the number of 2 and 7. I already find out the number of 3 and 5 by using the same. We have to find out the number of 2 and 7 also. It means that we have to find out the common multiple of 2 and 7. Okay, so simple. First we have to write down the table of 2. Next we have to write down the table of 7. I already write it. It will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. This is our table of what? 2. And next we have to write down the table of 7. This is our 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, okay, 64, 72 and 80. Understood? And I already given the table of 2 and 7. By using the table we have to find out the common multiple of 2 and 7. Okay, now see the table of 2 and see the table of 7. We have to find out the common multiple, common number is only one. This is our 14. Okay, here 14 is the correct answer. Why correct answer 14? Now see the table of 2 and see the table of 7. Both the table has a 14 is a very common number because 2 7 ja 14 and 7 2 ja what? 14. Okay, it means that write the common multiple of 2 and 7 is what? 14. Okay, this is our so simple example, and this example actually, the purpose of this example is what? We have to find out the common multiple of two numbers. It means that first of all we have to write down the table of this number, whatever this number is available to you, and next we have to find out the common number for both the number. Okay, I hope everyone student get understood the concept of common multiple, how can we find the common multiple. And the next topic start from the next obvious video, and have a nice day.